YouTube. Back at it again. Another video, another episode. Tell them what's up, my brother. Tell them what's up, man. Shit. Chilling. YouTube. Alright, so we're in Augusta right now. Got a drop off, headed to Atlanta. You know, nice hot zones, you know. Atlanta gonna always get you where you need to be or where you need to go. So, might take some time, but hey, it happens. Anything to say to the folks, brother, as long as they stay, as they locked in?
Yeah, stay locked in. Hello. I don't even look. I don't even feel it today.
Yeah.
I gotta get my acting together. So I will be back to talk to YouTube and maybe in the next video.
Next video, I feel you. Well, yeah, so we about to get loaded up. I'll see if I get some content in there for y'all.
How do you look?
Like little pallets.
Yeah.
Might go in there and get some footage real quick. Yep. Oh, there you go. This one's a pattern. I forgot, how many of them is it, sir? How many of them is it? 7? Okay. I appreciate you. Gotta keep the content rolling, baby. Always. Alright, we loaded, man. Loaded.
D-Dot cold as a motherfucker, oh God.
Yeah, man, so we in the A. Getting unloaded right now. Yeah, for real. I need to call one too. It wasn't one of the, that's not how it's built. Yeah, man, we get unloaded real quick. Get these 7 pallets off of us. Anything to say to them this morning, brother?
Nah, I'm so sleepy.
He ain't got nothing to say to y'all again today, man, but it's cool though. I'm gonna keep us alive.
Hey, my man, you got a restroom? Yeah, you got a pool. Oh, okay, I got you.
You gotta go or something?
No, his didn't go up because that little.
Ah, shoot. Rolling. You good?
Yeah, see, I was pimping that thing like a car. I was like this, y'all. I was like,
back it up.
You come in and tell the dude at the window to show the bathroom.
man, appreciate you, boss.
Appreciate it.
I
ain't gonna count.
You got workers, you got bathroom. You got 2 keys?
Yeah, I got one. I'm probably wait. You can have this one.
What?
This bathroom. I'm about to go somewhere else.
Oh, I ain't taking a poop bath.
Yeah, I do. Sure enough, ain't no shame in my game, but I got to shit. Ooh. Where we at, my brother? The Dwarf House.
We at the Dwarf House.
We at the Dwarf House for a little, luncheon.
Yeah, that's my first time doing it.
Oh, bro, I don't think they let me know song. Oh.
You got what up, man?
Huh? Nah, bro. They ain't at the dwarf house.
Hey, they got a full menu though. So I'm gonna definitely get one of them chicken wraps.
The chicken wrap? I ain't never had them. For sure.
Well, those shits be straight. You get your sandwich, you ain't gonna be full off of it. You get that shit in a sandwich, you be straight. Don't get no fries.
But look at the little door.
Huh?
The little door. But this ain't even the right fucking one. I'm thinking it's the other one. The one that had the waffles. That's the other one. The
Either
one.
way, we gotta do this. We gotta do one online. We already.
It's a continuation. Oh man, I got on the wrong setting. Hold on. Continuation of the last vlog, man.
So,
What's up,
crazy
YouTube?
because I thought that was
A video?
no, I thought that was like how the camera actually was. That's what's up. That's
Oh,
what's
yeah.
up.
But headed to Walterboro. We're staying in the state today, so we got Walterboro to Anderson. What is that? Like 200 miles or so. So y'all just stay tuned, see what we got going on with this load, and just see what happens along the way. It's something bound to happen today, so not nothing in a bad way, but you never know. Anything to say, my brother?
Definitely nothing in a bad way. I hope this be a short and easy, nice run.
Yeah. So we got till 10 o'clock to drop this off. What time is it now? It's like 1 something. We just able to finally get something off the load board, man. Man, it's been looking very scarce in the metro, man.
I'm about to move.
It's been looking real scarce in the metro.
Drop your ideas.
In
Where
the
we
bed.
looking to move for real. Well, I am looking to move for real. Y'all need to
Where
tell
them
us
hot states at?
what's the hot states for real? Like good housing. I need like for real, you two. I need like a good house. I have one baby and a lady, so I need at least about minimum 3 rooms, 2 rooms, honestly. So help me out. Help me find a good. I want to stay like maybe North Carolina area, but if y'all got something better, let me know. Shoot, I'm looking to take my lady out of here, man. It's just like honestly, truth, keeping it real. In the South, it's really kind of slow. Like it's so hard sometimes to find a load out of here. Like we be on it starting early, 8 o'clock in the morning, and it's just like you can find it, but sometimes they're not paying as well as other states might be or other places might be. So
Yeah, just for
already starting with some shit. I gotta go fit something.
Oh shit. Just to before I cut this off, I gotta check too. Just to let y'all know, we work for the new people that's watching our channel. We work mostly off of DAT load board and 123 load board. So we don't do we really don't do the like Amazon. We haven't really gotten to the Amazon.
See YouTube? It's all what it's on. Matter of fact, I'll take my hand up, say a prayer. Lord help us. Because every time we say, oh, it's gonna be a quick and easy day, turn out to be a long day.
We just done saying what we're gonna be.
Yeah,
we just
don't
done
say
saying.
nothing.
Y'all just see. Y'all just see.
Just
see.
be here.
Just see for real. Just stay locked in.
Yo. I'm already scally. Cause that thing I can't loose again. I think we're gonna replace that part. I'm serious, man. Nah, man. I'm gonna tell you.
But yeah, it's been a little slow, man. If you have been posting some, man, you playing dirt. We ain't gonna take dirt, but we
like,
trying to
I
negotiate.
know y'all wanted to know like more numbers wise. Like they're not even paying $2 a mile. Like nowhere near paying like $1.30, $1.20 a mile. Like sometimes cents, like 98 cents. I'm like, come on, man. Like that ain't gonna cut it. Like yeah, we be seeing what y'all saying, and as far as the trucks, just wait on it. Just wait on it.
Just wait on
like,
it. Just trust the
y'all be over here gunning us like we going so hard, but we only been out here like 6 months with us, so come on out. We already got a plan. Just work with us, man. Y'all over here trying to. We appreciate the advice though. Appreciate even the comment.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta subscribe and
just
stay
for
watching.
the ride, cause y'all gonna be
Just
like,
saying,
hey,
like,
they done started this, boom, 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 and then y'all gonna be crazy. But
you can't just give up on the box truck. The box truck, you can still eat with the box truck. You can't just say, oh man, I ain't eating this much. Okay, cool, but you can still eat on the box truck. The box truck you be ate. You can still eat on the box truck, so keep that in mind too.
And then also like really with owners and
hold your horses.
With owners and stuff, like I see why some of these loads is being accepted, but I don't really want to speak on the game too much because everybody got a little hustle, so I'm gonna respect it. But sometimes owners are messing up the game when we sending drivers on loads that is cheap. Yeah, you're not doing the work, but at the same time, you're not really helping the game either because you're starting to accept these loads that are not paying well. So individuals starting to think that's okay. At the end of the day, we not helping each other, we hurting each other because then they're not gonna post adequate amounts to suffice for the load. Like that's not fair, you know what I'm saying? Because we sending drivers so you don't have to do the work. So you like, it's just still some money. You can't think like that. You got to think that at the end of the day, it's a bigger picture. There's more people out here. And then with the whole thing getting saturated, it's a lot of people starting to do this. We just got to move correctly so that, brokers will carry themselves and pay what we deserve. Because we out here driving. We out here working. You got to stay up. You got to make sure that you're doing right, staying focused on the road. Like, no, that's all a process and work too. So I feel like we should be paid and suffice for that. Like, for sure. So you got to drive and just keep that in mind. Say, well, at least it's some money for the day. You can't.
Some money, but
like,
you gotta take into account gas.
Yeah, like it's not really like that. You know what I'm saying?
What if your driver gotta stay overnight, bro?
Yeah. So
now you gotta pay for
happen.
hotel.
Anything can happen. So be careful getting these cheap loads. Just forcing your driver to go do that. It's like at the end of the day, that's not really fair. And it's messing up the whole everybody. But now some of us trucks still eating now. Yeah. So we on y'all.
They own us more than we own us.
But some of us trucks.
Y'all need to get in the semi.
No, trust me. Now we think we are working now. Y'all over here think we not working. We working.
For real. But hey, stay tuned in. But we spent a whole 7-minute clip talking, but stay locked in.
Yeah, definitely. Just edit whatever.
Yeah. Back that bad boy in. We working, y'all. We working. They said we're gonna take five crates. Oh, man, they need focus. Look at him. You good. Oh, keep going. You good. We said we going. Hey, don't even turn it off. Don't even turn it off. We about to be gone. Don't even turn it off. She said five crates. So we good.
Don't turn it off? Don't turn it off?
No, I mean, still straight?
No, it literally go there.
Okay, bet. Oh yeah, we can turn it off. Bet, you too. We're picking this up, drop off at Shalom. Yeah, keep y'all posted. You tell we done pulled up to the location. Alright, man. We done pulled up. About to go inside my minutes. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, I ain't gonna turn it off yet. We gotta move it for sure. Alright, so we got the little DOL, got a report in. We got here 3 hours to spare. It's recording? Oh yeah. Oh dang. Recording wrong. There you go. Yeah, 3 hours to spare. We at the place. All right. What is this? Dang, I really want to put these glasses on. Sometimes I need glasses to come in here. Look like that for everybody. Dang. Shoot, I'm about to grab her walkie-talkie. Come here. Alright, I gotta call these people. I gotta call these people now because ain't nobody at the desk. I see people. Ain't no way she can hear me. They can hear me through all that machinery. It's like going to tell you that. She's so weak. I'm so confused, y'all. They got me put the man. I had to put the eyeglasses on, bro. And they got a vest on me. Gotta get back to the baby. Hold on. I'm about to take the thing off the back. Back it in, just back it in to 16. Back it in, back it in. Back in, back in. Oh, shoot. Don't move yet, brother. 16, 16. Boy, it's cold out here too, y'all. Ooh. I can't find my keys, but I'm so I don't. My hands so damn cold. You good? Ready to go home now. Ain't been a long day. But shoot, it's been a day. Oh man. Glenn Raven Logistics. That's who you running this through. Dang, that's the last one. Man, are we good too? Ain't he opening it? Come on with it, brother man. Come on with it, brother man. I'm gonna be whipping that shit. Ain't no way around it. Ain't no way around it. I mean, still got these folk shit on. I'm tripping. Hey. Shot good on this. They goggles and they vest back. Yes, sir. the fuck? I don't know, bro. I think this shit look bigger. Well, no, I see it. We good. All right, that shit just, they're just the inside. We're good? Huh? Okay, hey, keep backing up, bro. Yeah. Hey, so, back up as far as you can. That's the first thing to go? That's the first thing to go back.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this doesn't go back.
It's good.
Yeah, I can't go back no more. I don't know what the hell you saying. You need me straighten up or something?
Okay. Okay, I got you. I'm gonna talk it real quick too.
I'm just talking inside.
Oh, we're inside? Oh, okay. Alright. Hey brother, turn it off. Okay, now you bring your ass in here too. I'm at the pallet. I might do the pallet jack and shit because they only had one glasses and shit.
Damn, I would do it. I used to have it.
It's in front. If you go back to the front, I mean they have the vest and shit. I mean they should probably get you some more. Y'all have another set of eyewear? Yeah. Come on. Come on, brother, with our Willy Wonka chocolate factory glasses on. What you say? Okay. Come on, my brother. So they got the safety glasses in a whole bin like a dispenser. And
Like that, bro.
so what do they do? I'm gonna ask them when you get back. So what do y'all do with these glasses? Do y'all clean them?
You gotta put it on top of your put it on top of them. There you go. Sit on your face. Don't even put it on your face. This is nigga don't even put it on your face.
But nah, bro. Shit. I really gotta show you the restroom at though, real quick.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it.
It's hey, yeah, I had to piss too. I'll show you. Like we working this shit. We in their warehouse. Well, no, I go. Well, shit. We should be able to show you. You see where that blue door at?
Yeah.
Where that blue shit at? Bro should tell you. He looking over yonder.
Oh, yes, sir, dude.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I ain't putting them on my nose or nothing.
Here go a mask too, bro. I got you.
Hey, but I'm about to go use your bathroom, okay? I'll be right back. You got it inside?
Yeah, I got you.
That can go all the way down, and then there'll be 2 sets of round doors. You're looking past the office on your right hand side, and the second blue door that says land.
Let's roll it. Probably moving fast as shit. Come on.
Hey, what was that loud?
What'd you say, bro?
So what was that loud noise?
Y'all look at this nigga. Bro, this nigga going too hard. Bro, I wish I had the flash on, bro. I wish I had the flash on, bro. You was pumping that shit too hard. I'm fucking weak. That is the funniest shit of the day, bro. This nigga was pumping that shit too hard. Oh, let me go ahead and lock that thing back up. Talk to him real quick, brother.
Man, got us with the safety goggles. Safety first. That's how they always be.
Fuck around, use them shits in there, motherfucking.
Hey, for real, that's how them folks always be. They put them on top of their head like this. Oh, they about to go build something. I'm about to go build something. I think that's it. Oh, you just gonna sign it for us? Word. That's what's up. I think he about to sign the paperwork for us. I think.
We need to get a good thumbnail. We need to get a good thumbnail, bro. That'll work. See y'all, we really lit for real. Buddy gave us the glasses and the vest. We got a whole kit for real, for the future. We got the vest kit. Shout out COVID.
What to you?
Really not shout out COVID, but yeah. We got that, man. Oh, I can't even end the vlog yet, but we'll be back. Hey, that concludes this vlog. Thank y'all for tuning in. A lot of stuff coming. That's just what it is.
Thanks.
Uh-huh.
Man, I see this little kid, but we don't even know where we're gonna keep it at.
For real.
We ain't even got no storage in here.
For real. Probably just have to put it over your station, over your station area. But hey, appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. We still almost to that road to 1,000. So tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend, and share it on Facebook with your mom and them. And get us to 1,000 subscribers, man. Yeah, we almost there. We need like what? 300 and something more.
Yup.
Exactly. We almost there. Let's start the year off right. It's still January.
Yeah, we got a lock on there.
Yeah, I put it on there.
Yeah, we
Come
all
on,
good.
All right. YouTube, we out.
Like
Gang.
YouTube. See you later.
Gang.